Using the apostrophe, 2 simple rules. Here are 2 main ways to use an apostrophe. 1. To indicate possession, whether singular or plural. 2. To indicate missing letters, a contraction. Note, to indicate possession when the subject is singular, simply put apostrophe s after the word. Let's look at some examples. The dog's face was covered with lipstick kisses. Next, a girl's handbag was left hanging on the door. To indicate possession when the subject is plural, simply put an apostrophe after the s. Examples. All the bride's dresses had a similar design. Next, the book's covers needed repair. The second use of apostrophes is to indicate missing letters, called contractions. Let's look at some examples. 1. A contraction of we will. Sentence example. It looks like we'll need an umbrella. Next, a contraction of could not. Sentence example. He couldn't remember where he left his camera. And 3. A contraction of she is. Sentence example, she's late for work. So using apostrophes is very simple when you remember these 2 rules. Remember, use an apostrophe 1 to show that something belongs to someone, possession, or 2 to indicate missing letters when contracting words. Now note this exception, it's and its. While the general rule is that apostrophes indicate possession, personal pronouns are an exception. The pronoun its, its, is written without an apostrophe. Its with an apostrophe is a contraction of it is or it has, and therefore it uses an apostrophe. Here are some examples. The little kitten was confused by its own reflection, indicating possession. Next, it's an amazing sunset, a contraction of it is. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now. Just click the bell icon and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. Build a powerful English vocabulary and speak English with real confidence by enrolling in my free English Vocabulary Builder course today. Just go to goodenglish.online.